Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to save your WhatsApp chat history so you do not lose your messages. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open settings. On iPhone, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Next, go to the chat section. Here, you will see an option called Chat Backup. Tap on it to open backup settings. Now you need to choose where you want to save your backup. On Android, you can back up to Google Drive. On iPhone, the backup will go to iCloud. You can also select how often the backup should happen. Daily backups are a good choice because they make sure your messages are always saved. If this is your first time setting up a backup, WhatsApp may ask you to link your Google or iCloud account. Follow the instructions on your screen to connect your account. Finally, tap the backup button to start saving your chats. Depending on how many messages and media files you have, the backup may take a few minutes. After it is complete, your chat history will be safely stored and you can restore it anytime. Thanks for watching.